Yay, we're recording. Hello, Saeed. Welcome from Washington, Missouri. We have a setup. We're going to show you what we're doing because I thought you might find it interesting. I have Michelle laying down. I have Renee over here. We're going to show you what we're doing. The camera, as you can see here, is mounted on a horizontal boom. This horizontal boom has rotational abilities, and it also has an ability to mount the camera on one end and then mount the boom to the traditional mounting of an ordinary tripod, which I have right here. So we've left this in a position right now like it would be at the end of photographing our last patient. And what we've done is take the tripod and make it so that the lens distance, as it currently is from the patient's distance on our reclining bed, is approximately the 0.34 meters. It turns out that if you make it closer or farther, the machinery will take the picture, but it will change the actual distance that the image is from the camera. And so even though it comes in focus, you're going to get a smaller sampling of the actual target of what you're trying to take a picture of. So what I had to do was make sure that the size of the image that I saw in the viewfinder was correct after I actually had autofocused it. And that worked out fine, and that's what the distance is right now. It turns out we try and keep it at that distance for all the other things we do, like photographing the color bars and photographing the patient's demographic sheet, which we'll show you in a second. So, Michelle, you can get up now. Now what Renee is going to do is she's going to rotate the camera, which was previously set in a position so that the orientation of the picture was horizontally biased, not vertically biased, as you would if you were taking an upright picture. And as Renee loosens this thing, she'll be able to rotate the camera. Come on, muscles. Yes. So she rotates the camera into an upright position so that the lens, the edge of the lens is now perpendicular to the wall. Okay? Now on the wall, we have placed some 3x5 cards that define the edges of two different things that we're going to handle. The first thing we're going to handle is the color plates. Hold that up there, Michelle. There's a special place to hold it up so that the corner of the pillow is right there where we've marked those two index cards. And then to take the picture as you want us to, we have Michelle take her left hand and rotate that pillow out about 30 degrees.
So it's at an angle.
No, not like that. Show her, Renee. And the reason why we're doing this, Saeed, is because your color bars are on semi-gloss paper, and if you shoot the camera directly at that, you will always get glare and you'll have no useful color information at all. But when you tilt it like this, the reflection off the flash makes it so it's not an issue. So now Renee will take the camera and move the tripod with the camera on it so it's 1 meter away. Yeah, you put the camera on 1 meter.
I'm a little short.
You are a little short. Not a little short of brains though. A little short of stature. And you'll move the whole camera until you get the white card and the color bars in the field. Got it?
No, not yet. Shall we bring the whole thing up just a little bit? A little bit more? A little bit more? A little bit more? Okay. Perfect.
Okay. Didn't flash because you have to put your flash up.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Take 2. That'll be a dark one on the thumbnail. There you go. Okay, so over here we have
That's
that.
too far away.
It is too far away. Bring it a little closer.
Don't like it.
We could always get a meter stick, you know. And make sure, Michelle, that your pillow is out a little farther from the wall. Yeah, more like that. And make sure that your lens, Renee, is perpendicular to the wall. Now, see, you're following. You need to make it more. Yeah. Bring the lens so that the actual front of the lens is parallel to the wall. So in like that more. That way the flash bounces off the.
Right now.
Yeah.
Okay, Michelle, come to my right. Further, 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 further. And now up. Looks good. Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Okay. Yes. Now that's much better. That's beautiful. Let's see if we can get that on the screen. See that? There's no glare at all on that image. It's beautiful. Okay. So now the next thing we would do is put the patient's demographics on the wall, which is also about the same distance. And because we don't want to mess with the camera any more than we have to, we're going to place it horizontally on the wall. You guys can flip it digitally. How's that look, Renee?
Let's see if it will come in. I think I need it higher. Yep.
We tried to get this all worked out so that it was all consistent in the same thing, so we just had to hold it up there.
That's pretty good. Okay, ready?
Okay? And now we'll see when it comes up on your thing. Yep. Beautiful. It's the wrong way, Chief. Okay, and there's your form right up on the thumbnails of the thing. So now we have all of our preparatory stuff. Now the patient will come around, Michelle, come around and assume the position in the reclining thing. And then meanwhile, Renee is going to take the camera from this side, probably, or that side, and rotate it back down into its vertical position. Make sure the lens is parallel to the floor. And then when you got it like that, you tighten it up. Make it nice and tight because it's kind of heavy.
As we see a little crooked.
Does that look good? From here it looks like it's tilted a little bit.
Tilted that way a little bit.
Yeah. You're going to get that as right as you can. Yes, that looks more better.
More better.
Okay. So now, just make sure it's on 0.34 meters. It should be approximately like that. And then Michelle